Flat tire, low pressure, no problem. Meet the Tire Inflator portable air compressor, your cordless, compact lifesaver on the go. Car with up to 150 psi of power, it quickly inflates car, bike, motorcycle, tires, even sports balls. Basketball, bicycle, man, built-in pressure gauge lets you air up with precision, no more guessing. Checkmark cordless and rechargeable. Checkmark fast, powerful, and easy to use. Checkmark perfect for roadside emergencies or weekend adventures. Party Popper 50% off with code VTCAU27J, money sign regular price. $39.99. Collision sign final price. $19.99. Stay pumped and ready anytime, anywhere.